Good job, dude. Got it. Yeah.
So what you saw there was a physique update. That's my current conditioning. I've been weighing myself every morning, and this morning I woke up at 142. Kind of crazy since I was 144.4 or 144.3 the day before. I've been doing that just because my clients are doing that, and I wanted to show them that, hey, your weight's gonna fluctuate up and down. You just gotta trust the process, stay consistent, and just keep killing your workouts, putting good, healthy food in. So today I woke up at 142. That's my current condition. I felt leaner for sure, and that's with an active rest day maybe a day ago. And yesterday, as you saw there, a pump day. Just chased the pump in the gym. But I wanted to show you guys my current condition. And right now I'm about to go to a CrossFit class. The class today is gonna be fun workout. I'm looking forward to it. I looked at it last night and it looks intense, it looks gnarly. So right now I'm gonna get there a little early, open everything up. My hips, my shoulders, a proper warm up because the workout is kind of long and it's different movements. And I always do at least 15 to 20 minutes of a warm up, and I haven't been doing that just because I've been getting there late. I haven't been treating it like my normal gym session. Even at the normal gyms that I go to that are 24-hour access, no matter what time I get in there, I still warm up 15 to 20 minutes and then hit my workout because it's always way better. I'm a lot more mobile. I feel just loose and warm, good to go. So that's what I'm about to go do right now. I'm going to take you guys through this workout, and it's going to be a fun one. It's going to be spicy, but I'm excited because I got some good sleep last night. Did client check-ins this morning. They're pumped, which means I'm pumped, and we're about to just go kill this. So I'll see you guys in a little bit.
Go. Yeah, you got it. Nice. Good job, dude. Got it. Yeah.
Maxton is very shy too.
Boom. We're back. As you saw there, that workout was pretty hard. Don't do them like that. Well, post-workout meal. Don't really do anything different. Might throw in a couple different pieces of fruit, maybe some blueberries, strawberries, but for the most part it's the same. The eggs, I might do them scrambled one day. Other day kind of just over easy just because I like the spinach steamed. That's pretty much it. Boom. All right, we're back. So first part of this is going to be me talking about the workout. Second part is going to be more about mindset and just something that you can incorporate into your fitness goals or just life in general. As you saw there, I was pretty excited about that workout. Got in there, warmed up, felt good. Started with the handstand push-ups. Now that was a big one for me. I've never done that movement at all. I didn't even warm up or anything. I just said I'm just gonna go for it because I know that I can do it once I get up there, and I'm just gonna do the best I can. So threw myself up there. So you saw just crashing up against the wall. But hey, just still pumped out those reps. It was every minute on the minute for 6 minutes, and it was, I believe, 5 to 6 reps. So that was win number one. Pretty excited about that. Obviously, I warmed up, opened up my hips, shoulders, lats, and everything before that. So those handstand push-ups were already kind of, like the warm-up movement. The actual workout was 12 bar-facing burpees, 12 thrusters, 12 bar-facing burpees, 12 power snatch, 12 bar-facing burpees, 12 push jerks, or push press, 12 bar-facing burpees, 12 hang cleans, and then 12 bar-facing burpees, 12 overhead squat. Now, this is where I feel that any type of fitness you do, it's all the same, but different. It's same, but different. In the terms that, first I was a little intimidated. It was a bunch of reps, a bunch of burpees. It was just a bunch of moving, and it was non-stop. It was kind of just push yourself, see how fast you can go. So I brought it back to more of like my solid training. I broke it down into 5 sets if you think about it. Every actual barbell movement had a set of bar-facing burpees. So what I did was like, okay, it's only 5 sets. So I'm gonna take 30 to 45 seconds in between the movements and then hit it again. So that was less intimidating. Boom. Always just break it up. The second, I figured I was gonna break it up into reps. So either on my weak movements like the thrusters or let's say the power snatches, those movements, I would break it down into either reps of 2 to 3, maybe 4, and then hit it again until I completed the 12 reps. On the more comfortable movements like the push press, that sort of thing where I could just pump it out, or the hang cleans, I'd go maybe 6 to 8, that sort of thing. That's how I broke that up. That's why I say it's same but different. You just use what you're used to, see if it works well into your current setting, and then you adapt. So that's what I did there. The workout weight was 95 pounds, and I think it was 75 pounds for the women. But yeah, I decided to go with it. Right off the bat, it was just slow, man. It felt slow. And this is where I kind of want to talk more about just the mindset you have to have that I've always had in the gym and just working out in general. So, and that is focus on yourself and not comparing yourself to anyone else. Whether that's in the gym, at work, in your relationships, at life. If you always look at whatever someone else is doing, you're taking away from yourself. You're taking away your energy, your focus, and your attention that your goals so desperately need. That your goals, whatever you want to do, whatever you want to become, need 110% focus on yourself from yourself. If you're paying attention to what others are doing, that's taken away from you, that you're losing. You're basically losing at that point. So I think I was maybe halfway into round 1 and people were flying through. I was already kind of tired and fatigued. Like, man, I'm never going to get through this. People are flying through. I don't even think I'm going to be able to finish. And right as soon as I thought that, I caught myself. I was like, you screw that. I chose this weight. I'm going to finish this workout. I'm going to stick to my plan of the rest periods and rep periods. I don't care how long I take. I'm going to finish this, and I'm going to push myself. I'm going to push myself and do it the best that I can do it. So that's what I did, and that just pushed me through the rest of the workout. I didn't pay attention to anything going on around me. It was just that pure focus. Focus on my breathing, focus on my rest periods, the rep quality, because that's what was going to get me to the end of that workout. That's what was going to get me the best results, making the best out of that workout in terms of the strength gains I want to make, the mental gains that I wanted to make too, and just pushing myself all the way through that. And that can carry on into just your life in general. If you're comparing yourself to someone else at work, hey man, you're already losing. You're giving them your attention, energy, and focus. They don't give a shit about you. All they care about is themselves and what they're doing to get to where they want to go. And that's the same exact mentality you need to have, whether that's in the gym. As soon as you go into the gym, you should only be focusing on yourself. Your mindset before the gym should be focused on what you're going to do. Once you're in the gym, it should be focused on the reps, the quality, your rest periods, your performance, whether or not you should go up or down in weight. It all starts with you and ends with you. So that's the same mentality you need to have in life and in the gym. You're the only one that's going to get yourself to that goal weight if you're on a fat loss journey. You're the only one that's going to get yourself to that new PR number, to that new weigh-in if you're trying to gain size or gain strength. It all starts with you and it ends with you. So you have to have that laser focus on yourself. No one's going to get you to that end of that workout besides yourself. No one's going to get you to that new PR besides yourself. No one's going to get you to that new low end besides yourself. You got to put in the work, you got to stay focused, and you got to stay consistent. So as soon as I caught myself thinking that way, switched it up, and I was like, man, that does nothing for me. I need to stay focused on what I'm doing here, my plan. And you know what? I don't care how long I take. I'm just going to finish this shit. And so that's what I did. Pushed through it, finished it, just in the same mentality that I always have in the gym. This is what I love about CrossFit too, is the energy. Everyone's pushing themselves, everyone's going hard, everyone's throwing down. So all the people that are finishing, once they catch their breath and are good to go again, they'll be going around cheering everyone on, pushing each other, which was awesome. The movement that I was dreading the most was the overhead squats, just because it was at the very end. I knew I was going to be tired. I know it's like one of my weaker movements because I need to warm up and then I go into it. But as soon as I got that bar up, there were a few other people that had finished before me. They were pushing me. They were cheering me on. And I was pushing myself too, like, hey, let's go. Let's finish. This is the last one. Just give it all you got. And I didn't break that one up at all. I figured, hey, man, I got the bar up. And after 2 or 3 reps, I kind of got in the groove of it. And I was like, yeah, I'm just going to push myself all the way through. Because if I put this thing down, it's going to take a while to come back up, and everyone else's energy was high. It was good energy in there. Everyone was pushing and cheering. So I finished those 12 overhead squats unbroken. Overall, that was a really good workout. It was exactly what I was looking forward to. Just a hard, intense session, good energy. Everyone cheering each other on, pushing each other. It's very humbling. How I broke it down was 5 sets of these different movements, and all 5 movements are movements that I need to improve on for sure. So it's just eye-opening and humbling, but at the same time, it's very rewarding because you push yourself through it, get it done, you evaluate, and now you have these adjustments and tweaks, these things that you need to work on and improve on. That's basically just dropping your ego, getting that foundation set, going lightweight, maybe even no weight, and getting these movements down so you have the good form, you have the good technique to do them efficiently, and you're avoiding injury down the road. And you're going to be building that solid foundation, which is going to increase your strength later on. And like I said, it's a marathon. It's not a sprint. Doing this long term. So do the work now. Set that good foundation. So once you're making those strength gains, you'll perform better. I have a few things I need to work on, which is also exciting. It's kind of like, dang, man, like I suck. But at the same time, it's like, heck yeah, now I have something I can get better on. I can PR on, just make progress and work toward and have that good movement. That's what I'm looking for, is that solid, fluid movement, getting all that down. So it's about to be a fun journey ahead, and I'm excited to take you guys with me. The little finisher was just a stretch. It was kind of they call it a Samson stretch, which is kind of just open up the hip flexors, open up the hips, and then an overhead band stretch. It was 2 minutes per side. That felt really good just to cool down, stretch everything out. Yeah, I'm just excited for the journey ahead, man. I'm excited to push myself. I'm excited to learn these new things. I'm excited to see how much I can progress a year from now doing CrossFit. So kind of mixing the whole bodybuilding mixed in with the CrossFit-y, just moving, more technical type of lifts. So excited to take you guys there with me. In the comments below, let me know what you guys want to see more of. Do you guys want to see more workouts? Do you guys want to see more explanations? Do you guys want to see nutrition? Do you guys want to see more day in the life vlog type videos? Let me know below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Go over to Instagram. Follow me there, shots_G. I post workouts there, tips, motivation, that whole sort of thing. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one.